Hi, in this video, I will show you how to monitor remote and office PCs like you're sitting right next to your employees. If you have people working from home in different locations or even just in another room in the office, this video is for you. Maybe you're wondering what's really happening on the computer of your companies during working hours, but you don't want to rely only on reports, screenshots, or trust alone. You want to actually see the live screen in real time so you know exactly what's going on, just like if you were standing behind the monitor. With Wolfeye Remote Screen, you can watch the live screens of your remote and office PCs from one central dashboard without disturbing your employees. In this video, I'll show you how to connect your business computers to Wolfeye Remote Screen software. I'll show you how to see all live screens in one view. Then I'll show you how to open any single PC in full screen and watch it live in real time. And I'll also show you how you can do this from your own computer or your own laptop or even your smartphone, no matter where your employees are. Of course, always make sure to follow the laws in your country uh, and uh, and to inform employees where it is required. This video is a technical demonstration, not legal advice. Take legal advice and inform you before using Wolfeye Remote Screen. If you'd like a personal live demo for your company with me, you can book a free session on our website. After watching this video, I will show you how. But let's begin. So, Wolfeye Remote Screen is a small piece of software. You install it on each of your company's computers, and I will show you in a minute how fast it is installed. And what you will receive is a dashboard like this. This is the demo dashboard. That's why the password is here displayed. So you can access it by yourself by visiting this website. But in reality, of course, your password will not be displayed. And this is what you get, this dashboard. And the dashboard is opened as you see on the browser. So you will be able to access this from your laptop, from your remote computer, even from your smartphone, because you have a browser on your smartphone. So you enter the dashboard, log into, and will receive this grid where you will see for each of the computers where Wolfeye has been installed the live computer screen. This is how you will see it. Live computer screen means it's, how can I explain it? It's a screenshot, like a screenshot every 2 seconds or every 3 seconds. So you have a little of a time lag of 2 to 3 seconds, but besides that, you will see the live screen as if you were standing beside the employee, but without him noticing anything. So this is how you will see it. Since this is a dashboard, you only see like a picture here. So in reality, you will really see the live screen, okay? You have the option to change the columns of the grid to 2 columns so you see bigger screens in case you wanted to have a bigger look, or 3 screens so that you have a better overview over what's happening on all the screens, if you have bigger screens. Also, if you wanted to take a closer look on one particular screen, you always read here live. You choose one screen and can click on live, but not normal click. You must right mouse click and open in a new tab so that the new tab opens with a live screen of that particular computer. So again, this is only a demo, so you see here only a picture, but in reality, you will be able to see the live computer screen of this particular screen. And also, you have this history link here. That's if in case you wanted to enable screenshot history, a screenshot is made. So right mouse click on history, for example, for this particular computer, and you access the screenshot history gallery. Every 5 minutes a screenshot is saved, or every 1 minute or every 10 minutes, you decide the interval. So if you would like to install and use Wolfeye Remote Screen on your company to try it for free, come to our website wolfeye.de and hit this button that says Start a Free Trial. And here you can book a Google Meet demo session. It will be with Google Meet a demo session, but we can also talk on the phone, over WhatsApp, how it's convenient for you. Select the date. You will always be able to do a demo session the same date, and select the time. Enter your name, email, phone number, and how many computers you would like to monitor. And in this demo session, Wolfeye will already be installed on my computer, and what will happen, I will send you the access to my dashboard. So you will enter my dashboard, access my dashboard, and see my screen, my live screen, so that you exactly know what you will get after you install it and use it for free within the trial period on your computers in your companies. Yeah. So that would be the first step of the demo session. And the next step is that we may install. I sent you the download link for Wolfeye Remote Screen, and we install it on one or two of your computers. I guide you through the installation process. It's very fast, and that will enable you to quickly set up Wolfeye Remote Screen software by yourself for your remaining computers that you would like to install. You immediately after that, you can install it on your remaining computers and will receive the access to your dashboard like this. In this case, 9 computers have been installed with Wolfeye Remote Screen so that you can access your dashboard. Okay. So if I send you the download link, what will happen is you get to download the setup file, you double click it, this installation wizard opens, you hit on install, and then you hit on finish, and Wolfeye Remote Screen opens. And what you next have to do is to set up the software by clicking the share screen button. You click it, it turns red, it's already sharing. And next, by clicking the stealth mode button, you click it as stealth mode. This is the blue button here. Click it, and the Wolfeye Remote Screen goes into stealth mode. It's very fast installation, as you have seen. So we can do it together. So come to our website, schedule a Google Meet demo session with me. I will do a quick demonstration for Wolfeye Remote Screen. And yeah, see you in the next video.